If egg is your go-to protein source, you need to know this. Egg, the king of versatility. Eggs are not only delicious, but they are excitingly versatile too. There are so many ways you can cook an egg and it tastes as good in any form: boiled, omelette, scrambled or sunny side up. Egg-cellent recipes. Toss it with veggies and just add a whole grain bread to it. This breakfast will keep you full for long. Discarding the yolk. We all are aware that eggs are a rich source of protein and are good for people conscious of their diet and fitness. Many of us are guilty of discarding the yolk because we believe eating them will beat the health aspect of eating eggs. Here is what you should know. One egg has almost 6 grams of protein, and if you discard the yellow, you get only about 4 grams of protein per egg. How much protein you need? Protein is essential for losing weight, as well as for building muscles. Experts suggest that you should have between 60 to 90 grams of protein, depending on your body weight, through the day. Variety is key. And if eggs are your main source of protein, you will have to accordingly include as many eggs in your diet. Now, if you just eat the white, you will have to increase the number even more. Try including black beans, kidney beans and cheese to have a variety of proteins. Here are some of the healthiest breakfast options. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs with spinach, mushroom and bell peppers for the right protein and essential nutrients. Boiled eggs. Boiled eggs with avocado for the perfect punch of protein and healthy fats. Omelette. Cheese omelette with cinnamon and spinach to build immunity. Sunny side up. Sunny side up on a bed of sprouts for a hearty loaded bite.